Time for paint, Sam.
Hi Sam. How you can't be with us today? We'll be spraying your car without you.
Yeah, hope you don't mind. But we chose a lovely colour, you'll see in a minute.
Wish us luck.
Base coat, Tony.
Nice and shiny. For now.
You can really see that colour now, it's amazing. Time for some clear coat. Look at that colour.
Lovely.
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 Lovely jubbly. But it's painted. I love that colour. Probably cool.
It's that big, isn't it?
Right, so last night, you obviously saw me and Tony got it in paint. This is the morning after. Sam is on his way over, So let's get this thing unmasked. Might put a few things back on it, and I'll film its response. Hopefully I like it. There's a few things need to be done. I mean, we're painting outside, so there's dust in the lacquer, but it's nothing we can't flat out. There's a few minor runs in the clear coat as well. We'll get them out. But look at that colour. Can't wait to show him. So yeah, stay tuned, guys. Wanderer returns. You're sunning yourself.
Thought I'd bring some sun along.
You had enough sun.
From the beach.
Surprised?
Yeah. What is my reaction now? Can't wait to my dad's reaction, but... Oh my god. Oh. Cat was saying like, do you reckon that painted it nuts and anything? It's like, no, I've got a little bit behind, I've got stuff to do. Oh my god.
Free time. Sunroof back. Sam's creasing all the bearings back up.
You got all lube them up, haven't you?
Yeah, don't want to run dry. Never good going dry.
Famous phrase that.
Yeah. So, what colour are we painting the drums?
Drums, orange.
Yeah. Got a bit of orange in there, haven't we?
I mean, I don't know who has an orange car.
No.
Uncle Tony has an orange car.
Yeah.
But that's about it. I don't.
Yeah. Drive your orange Mini.
Yeah.
Wearing your slippers. Or flip flops in your case.
By the time you're watching this, you'll already have your new slippers on, won't you, Tony? Oh dear. Right.
Comfy, cosy feet.
Yeah.
Proper job here at Simpsons Classics HQ.
Always a proper job, isn't it?
We try.
Yeah, so people watch like thousands of YouTube videos and unboxing stuff. So it is our version. And Dad, when you're watching, there's a reason why I've got you some stainless wheel nuts. And there's two reasons actually. One, because they look really nice and they don't rust. And two, I've accidentally lost half your nuts. So this is like the best solution for it.
Bought you a present.
Yeah, bought you a present, got you some stainless nuts, because I've lost half your ones. It's like Christmas.
Wow, look how much tape is on that.
We're going through it. Oh, bit of newspaper. That's very vegan, that.
These aren't so vegan.
So, a set. I can open them. Stainless steel, Wolf-Rage nuts.
Check those out. And they're going to look good on the newly refurbished wheels.
With hang on. Newly refurbished.
Look at that. Only the best for the Midas. Looking good, man. They look great. Let's get them fitted up.
I have guests on Spacer side as well. So. Oh, they're sitting in the car. This should be alright.
What's wrong?
That's it. I think they're going to need smacking in. With, you know, a soft hammer.
Yeah.
There's a lip to them there.
So, moment of truth. So these are the original wheels that came with this car? Or the wheels that...
Yeah. And the thing is as well, they've got a date stamp in them. Somewhere. Yeah, they are. D, whichever month D is, 80.
So they're literally the right period for the
So
car.
39 years old.
That's awesome, isn't it? I mean, look how nice they look against that paint already.
Brand new stainless nuts.
You see like the reflection on them now. And you said you're not really finished polishing them, they look awesome.
I'm not finished yet. Just how to annoy my neighbours, I think. And the special sleeve nuts, so they're not like standard tapers.
They're stainless and the proper ones.
Yeah, machined. New centre caps with the original centres on. They're not perfect.
I think it keeps it makes them look a bit more period.
The other ones are battered.
Yeah.
Dad always wanted a set of new ones.
Yeah.
And I found some, so I was like, yeah.
Those wheel nuts are similar setup to the Revo nuts, aren't they?
Yeah, like D1 ones as well. D1s have a flat wash. These got taper.
Washer.
But it's when the taper and
That locates the wheel though, doesn't it?
Yeah, so see now you have to put them on bit by bit. And the trick I normally do is you put them on all like that. Put them all on a little bit.
Yeah.
And like it's like a D1 because the top one won't go in. You like do that.
Yeah.
And you from that place it's centered now, and you just tighten it all before up.
Yeah.
Bit by bit. Yeah.
Awesome. I mean, if Tony signed the wheel studs, would that make them? I mean, if Tony signed the wheel studs, would that make them like bad luck? Or, I mean, he seems to like buying them, doesn't he?
No, if Tony, if you want a set of Tony's wheel studs, you'd have to break the bank, break it. You'd have to smash it up to get Tony's wheel studs.
I mean, he tights them to FT, but that must be like his FT must be a bit different to ours.
Yeah.
Look at that! I can't believe those wheels. Look how nice they look. I remember seeing this car on your drive, and the wheels were there, obviously, but
Like
they were very
matte,
dull, weren't they?
I think that we can pop that up. It's about an hour and a half to a wheel on. So as you probably know, the reason why Dad wanted a new fuel tank is because the advice the past 10 years in the Midas, well 10 years on the road, was because the fuel tank had a weep. So we changed the fuel tank, and it's actually the sender, the switch in the sender that's weeping, not the tank itself. So we drained it out on the previous episode, and Uncle Tony suggested we get some flange sealants. So we've got so yeah, I've got some petrol resistant Loctite to slap all over it. Because you could fit a new sender, but sender works perfect. It's the original sender to the car.
Yeah, exactly.
It works fine.
And you can't have enough sealant on your flange, can you?
No, flange has definitely got.
Yeah.
And my phone's started.
Siri's talking to us.
Siri's talking. Wait.
Yeah. Siri heard flange.
Siri loves a good flange.
So what's this? You're wearing your outdoor slippers?
Outdoor slippers.
Yeah.
Can I just update you? You know that flange sealant?
Yeah.
It's all over me.
Oh no.
Oh, you'll see how messy it is now.
You got messy flange?
Messy flange.
Oh no.
It's what happens when we're down to 2 men.
Yeah.
It's what happens. I mean, it must be those dinner time by now.
Yeah, that's where he is now, yeah.
Is that insert Tony slipper meme? Is that when I come off this? Got a new tan and look at it.
I think you're sticking your flange sealant, sticking yourself to the floor though.
I think it stinks. Right, I've put
smelly, sticky flange.
Tony recommended this stuff. That's all I'm saying.
It's proper stuck in the 80s, isn't it?
All he's now is a mullet and a Brazilian. Yeah. Why is it I come under the fuel tank and we just get happy?
It's because it's stainless.
Yeah,
and it
shiny.
reminds us of a dinner plate that could have a roast dinner on it.
A roast dinner plate, yeah. That is true.